All right, in this video, we're going to take a closer look at how you can use the points that you earn for the tasks that you complete in your book marketing plan. So in a previous video where I covered managing tasks, you noticed that whenever you complete a task, you get points. So if you're on your marketing plans page, you'll see a running total of how many points that you have earned. Now, let's go ahead and go up here and click on rewards so we can talk through what those points do for you. Now, for all users, whether you are a free tier user or you're using one of our paid tiers, you all are eligible to be posted on the weekly leaderboard for either fiction or nonfiction, whichever category you fall into. So there are bonus points awarded every single calendar week for whoever comes in first, second, or third. The points get reset at midnight every Sunday, so it's only looking at the points you generate each week. That way, there's a little bit of healthy competition between you and other Forward.io users to see who can get the bragging rights to be on the leaderboard. So, no matter what tier you're in, you get to compete for the leaderboard. Now, the actual prizes you can win from the points are only eligible for one of the paid accounts, either Author or Author Pro. Once you have earned at least 2,500 points, then you have the ability to flip the book right here. Now, you might be wondering what happens if I accidentally click a task that I haven't actually done, and so I just got points for something, for a task that was an accident. So what you can do is you can go ahead and uncheck that task so that you're able to keep track of what you've actually done, but you can only get points for a task one time. So yes, you get those points a little bit early since you didn't mean to click on the task, but you don't get any extra points when you complete that task in the future. You only get points the first time you click on that task. All right, and look, when you complete a phase, you also get bonus points to say, yay, good job, way to go, keep going, which is exactly what I'm going to do. So again, to be able to use those points, I am going to have to upgrade. So I cover that in a different video. You can go see how upgrading works. And then once you've upgraded, you're able to go use those points. Once I have upgraded to one of the paid tiers and I have earned at least 2,500 points from completing tasks, let me show you how those rewards work. So I'm going to click up here on rewards. There's my points total right there, which is well over 2,500. And then here is the flip the book feature. So here are the possible prizes that can be won. I can win $1 off the next month, $2 off the next month, $3 off the next month, $9 off the next month, or I can win a 10% off coupon code for the Forward Writers Etsy shop. All right, so let's say I'm ready to go ahead and flip the book. As soon as I do that, 2,500 points will be deducted from my total, but then I will also get the prize. So you tap to flip right here, and it's going to flip through pages, and then boom, there. So I won $1 off of my subscription for next month, which will be automatically applied. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to put in any coupon codes. And now you'll notice it says no more flips left this month. So if you are on an author paid account, you get 2 flips per month. So I already did a flip before this one that I decided to record. So that's why it says I have none left because I already used my other one. If you have an Author Pro account, you get up to 4 flips a month. So you have more chances to win more of these prizes and get money off of your subscription for the next month. So that's another advantage of the Author Pro plan because you have multiple books on here and you're earning more points. You also get more chances to use those points and win prizes. So I want to make sure that the experience of marketing your book is fun and gamified and that you get something out of it as our thank you for using using forward.io. And so this is a very easy way for us to be able to do that on top of the weekly leaderboard that everybody is eligible to participate in. All right, so let me get back to your plans. So you'll see that my reward points are updated right here so that I always know how many I have and so that I can keep myself motivated to win more points and win more prizes. But that is how rewards work here on forward.io. So get out there, get some tasks completed, rack up some points, and get yourself some prizes.